Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a really cool attachment we've been wanting to do a video on for a couple months now, but we've just kind of been waiting for everything to fall in the line and get everything ready. We found this new brush cutter at an auction a couple months ago. It's the first one like it we've seen. We bought a couple of them. I've been planning on keeping one. That's this one right here. So I'm going to test this brush cutter out on a lot of different machines. Today's video is going to be on my personal machine, the STE 2-ton. This attachment wouldn't fit this machine, so if you watch my other video on fabricating a 25mm quick attach to fit this machine, then you'll know that that's the main reason why I did that, was to run this attachment on this machine. So we got our fabricated quick attach on there. We got our brush cutter on there. We're gonna do some test videos today. We're out here at my buddy's house. He lives out in the county. He's got some acreage where I don't. So he was good enough to let us come out, help us fabricate the quick attach, help us work on stuff, get everything going, and he's gonna let us chop some stuff up here on his property to see how it does. So let's get into it. All right guys, we just got the brush cutter mounted on the machine, taking it back here to the edge of the woods to find a spot now to test it out, see what she'll do. Alright, so here's a disclaimer. I don't have any face shields. I need to buy some. I have a full face motorcycle helmet. I was gonna bring it, I forgot it. So yes, I'm not wearing any protection over my face in this video. I don't recommend that. I would recommend wearing protection. I'm also gonna get my machine has, it actually has 4 mounting spots already for like a windshield. So I'm gonna actually get something made, maybe a piece of plexiglass or something that I can easily remove and put back on for when I'm running this. This attachment's designed to sling out the sides, and you can see in the video, for the most part, it does a very good job, but you never know what could happen, what could ricochet. In an open cab machine, this could be pretty dangerous. So yes, I know, I'm stupid, I'm an idiot. I was excited to try it out. I got out there, realized I forgot my helmet, and thought, I'm gonna give it a go. I gotta get this video up. So don't operate it without proper PPE like me. Let's get into it. All right, we just did a small little section here. That thing does really, really well. I actually started at a little tree here. Not a super big tree, but here we go. Started at the top and cut it completely down. We'll see if we can find one more section here to clear. A little thicker. All right, we just found a little area we can clean up. Get you a little before here so you can get a good view. We're gonna do a little mulching here and then we'll get a good after. All right. So here's the end results, the after. And that thing's an absolute beast. Check out this little tree I was cutting. Give you a closer view so you can see, ow, thorn bushes. You can see, there we go. It was chopping it right up. Let's see what's actually cutting this stuff up. Let's check that out. So here's your mower. It's called a brush cutter. That's what the tag says. I've seen some other people advertise it as a flail mower, but the tag actually says brush cutter. If I can find the tag, must be on the top side. But there you go, that's what it looks like. It's got the little Y blades, 3 blades. And they all pivot apart. 3 blades per spindle. That's all it is. That's gonna wrap this one up. I think the brush cutter did amazing. It exceeded my expectations. I figured this machine, if any, would run this. So that's probably not a big surprise. The big test is going to be if the smaller machines will run this, the 1 tons, 1.5 tons. I'm talking about the 13.5 Briggs & Stratton Rado engines, the small machines. I'm going to test this on those, and we're going to find out, because there's no reason for you to go buy one, put it on your 1 ton, 13.5 horsepower machine, and it not work, and then you've wasted the money, and then you got to worry about getting your money back, reselling it, and yada yada yada. So I'm going to test it for you. I've already got the machines. Yeah, so I've still got some of the 13.5 horse and the 23 horse and the diesel mini excavators in stock that are smaller than this. They're the, you know, the 1.5 tons. So we're going to put this attachment on those machines too. Probably do one video at that time, and just use the one attachment on a bunch of different machines just to see which one will run it and which one won't. And that way you guys know. So that video will be coming soon. This is the type of stuff you want to see. Hit that like and subscribe, and we appreciate it, guys. See you in the next one.